So there it is, C8 convertible, and there's another one right there. Actually, come to think of it, that is a convertible in Long Beach metallic. Look at that. Welcome to Drive 615. Let's go for a drive. Alright guys, so we're in the Genesis G90 press car. Got this thing for a week. Gonna make some good content with that, stay tuned. Here with Chris, say hello.
Hello.
We just wrapped up at the NCM Motorsport Park tracking brand new 2020 C8. That's 107 through the backs. Oh, he's hauling, look at him. He is hauling. And we're on the throttle. Swung by the museum, checked out what was going on there. Got a delivery here at the Corvette Museum. Some C8s. Got one over there and one hiding away over there with some racing stripes on it. Pretty cool. And now we're headed over to the factory real quick before we head back to Nashville. Gonna see if there's anything on the lots. Every now and then we see some cool stuff, so hopefully we'll see, I'm hoping we see a convertible. And actually, I'd seen one before in one of my previous videos and didn't even realize it was a convertible, and people pointed it out after the fact, but I'm gonna be keeping a careful eye out for any convertibles or just any unique coupes that we see, so stay tuned. Hopefully we'll see some good stuff. All right, here we go. There's a Long Beach coming towards us, looking good. All right. It's been a minute since I've done my spotting, so I'm kind of blanking out on all my colors, so I'm just not gonna say colors because I might accidentally get one wrong, but there you go, Z51. I do like that. I do like that color a lot. I think it looks pretty good. This is an overcast day, red accents, red brake calipers, red accents on the steering wheel, and I saw a blue one over here. Not a rapid blue, but darker blue. Just kind of cruising by here. There it is over there. You can kind of see it through there. It's got the Zeus bronze right beside it, so haven't seen that one in a while. And I think that's probably it for there. There's several back in there. There's just like C8s everywhere we go. I mean, we're at the actual, factory. So what do you expect? Let's head up front. I know they've got some cars on display, so we can take a look at that. Chris, how you doing? What do you think about the C8s? You like them?
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
It's pretty sweet.
Yeah, I think it's pretty fun. I took her out in my dad's C7Z, and she liked that, and then we tracked the C8 just recently. Yeah, so she's getting
I'm a pro.
Getting to be a pro and learn all about Corvette in the process. So
yep.
Yeah, we got some good ones. We got a whole blend of, maybe got a C6, maybe C4. Interesting, yeah, we got some good colors, so we'll swing through here and I'll let you take a look. We got a rapid blue, so that's the new color. You see that right there? You like that?
Beautiful.
Yeah? Okay, cool. So that's
a cool color.
The rapid blue.
Wow.
C8 right there.
Michigan tag.
Say what?
Michigan
oh yeah,
tags.
Michigan. I think a lot of them have either Michigan or Kentucky dealer, so pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
Got the Trident wheels, I like that. And then here's Zeus bronze. This is
That's
kind
cool.
of a more rare color. Some people love that, some people hate it. I think it looks pretty good. And then these are older generations, and here's a new one, so kind of cool. Wrap our way around here, and we got it's a white one. Kind of looks plain compared to
all the
other crazy colors. Yeah, C6s, C5, C7, and then just the white one up on display there, kind of up on an angle there.
Yeah, if you get a Corvette, you have to get a cool color.
Exactly, yeah, right. All right, we'll do one more lap and then we'll head out. All right, so we got a couple back here. This is where I saw the convertible last time, so we'll see if it's the same story. I'm not thinking though. It's tough to say. I don't think those are convertibles, so unfortunately, no convertibles for us today, but we got this one with the blue interior and the blue with the
red
interior. Is that a, no, it's not a convertible.
Is it? It is.
No, it's not. I don't think so. I don't think so. So Chris is actually taking my place as the C8 spotter because she called this one as a convertible, and I was like, I don't think it is. And then we drove around past it and saw the back end of it, and it was. So drive 615 out, Chris in, because apparently she knows
taking over
C8's better than me. All right, so there it is. C8 convertible. Crazy to see just such small glass in the rear. Got the blue interior. This one does not have the Z51 package on it. But this, so you can see in comparison, here is non-convertible. Obviously you can see full interior engine bay. Got the rear camera mounted up there, back to our back spoiler. And then here you go, just kind of definitely different. Still got the backup camera mounted up top, but you got the vents back here. You cannot really see the engine bay because again, that's covering it up, and you just got small rear glass. It's kind of, this exact vibe right here reminds me of like a 458 Spider. This exactly right here with that rear window, very, very 458 Spider-esque, I'd say. And if you take a look at the rear, again, everything from here back is pretty much the same. Where you're really getting a difference is here, and then you notice it from the front that this little bit right here is much smaller. That's about that wide. And then you look here on the coupe, and it's, you know, just much, much wider. So really, really cool to see side by side. I wish they were a little bit closer so you could see that, but very, very cool. I have not seen many convertibles. This is probably one of the few that's out there. So it's definitely cool to see it. I'd be curious to see how this would look in that color. I think that would look really, really good. What are your thoughts? What do you like better? You want the
I love the white
convertible or the coupe?
convertible, and I like the blue interior.
Okay, convertible, blue interior. What color exterior would you do?
White
White? Really?
with the blue interior.
Okay, so this is like what you do. Like you want this.
Yeah, I like it.
You want me to get it for you?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so subscribe, get this video to like 10 million views so I can buy this C8 for Chris and we can cruise around in it. But here's again just another overlook. I'm gonna try and give you as much perspective as possible. Obviously you can't get the top down, this car's just parked here, so not gonna hassle it, but is the interior. I mean, you guys have seen plenty of videos. If you haven't watched on my channel, interior videos, I got that, I got exterior videos, I got driving videos, I got everything, but this is the first actual convertible I've featured on the channel. So we'll do one final walk around and call it good. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe, like, comment, share this. Corvette blogger, hopefully you post this for me. You're my guy, Keith. Really appreciate you always supporting me and the Drive 615 channel. There's the Genesis G90 press car that we've got. We'll have a full video on this soon. This thing is like driving an absolute boat. But there you go. 2020 C8 convertible. And there's another one right there, actually, come to think of it. That is a convertible in Long Beach metallic. Look at that, guys. There it is. That's very, very cool. I literally couldn't tell if that was a convertible or not, and you know how I can figure out now? It's with that comparison that I said of this. You look for this, if this little bit is like, you know, about this wide, just a couple inches wide, then you know it's a convertible. And if it's the wide, kind of raked back there, you know it's a coupe. And again, you can just take a look here at this rear part, and you'll see that rear glass. So instantly, I almost knew that was a convertible. So I think that's gonna be the easiest way to differentiate it from the front view or the side view if you can't see the back. But thanks again, guys, for watching this video. Quick little video of the C8 convertible, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Stay safe out there with everything going on, and there you have it.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Perfect, we got it. Yeah, turn on post notifications too, right? They
Yes,
gotta
always.
do that, otherwise
They'll know what's up.
Yep, what's up?